So Black Friday is finally here. And honestly, this sale could save you hundreds of dollars on your favorite WordPress tools. But with all these flashy banners and limited time deals, which ones are actually worth your money? Tough choice, right? But don't worry, I have done the hard work for you. In this video, I'm going to break down the top 5 real Black Friday deals for Elementor add-on. What's included in each, what's worth grabbing, and a few hidden details that no one really talks about. And trust me, these deals won't come back till the next year. So let's get started. So first up, everyone's watching Elementor Pro. While their Black Friday sale is not live yet, but based on previous years, it's expected to start between the November 21 and 26, typically offering up to 35% off. Okay, so here's the thing. Elementor has a few different packages. The higher the plan you choose, the bigger the discount you get. My advice, think about what you really need and then pick the plan that fits your goal. Right now, Elementor is annual only. I mean, there is no lifetime plan. But honestly, this is the biggest discount of the year, so if you have been waiting, this is your moment. Now here's what you get with every plan. A full theme builder for header, footer, archives, basically everything. 32 free widgets plus premium ones depending on your plan. Form and pop-up builder plus advanced features like dynamic content, except for the essential plan. Full support and a 30-day money-back guarantee so you can try it completely risk-free. Now here's something important about the pricing and the discount rules. First, prices are different for each package and the tax is not included in the listed prices. The final tax will show up at the checkout based on where you live. Second, the discount only works if you're buying a new plan or upgrading. If it's a renewal, it will go back to the normal prices. So double check it before hitting renew. And the last thing, if you have already bought a subscription before the sale and cancel it within 30 days, you cannot rebuy it at the sale price. Elementor subscription renew automatically, so plan your purchase carefully. Next up, XPro Elementor add-on. And yes, they are offering a huge Black Friday discount. Now, this is the add-on for you if you hate subscription model and want a true one-time payment deal. And trust me, there are no surprise taxes to worry about. What you see is what you pay. Also, their sale is live from November 17 to 30th November, so there's plenty of time to grab it. Now, XPro add-on has 4 different packages, and they give you both annual and lifetime options. So it fits your budget and long-term needs. Now here's what you get with every package. You get 140 plus premium widgets, 25 plus extensions, basically everything you need to supercharge your Elementor. Then you get the full theme builder and the XPro theme included for free. You get WooCommerce support, pre-built templates and layout to save you a ton of time. Also you get the lifetime update and export support so you are covered for the long term. And yes, there's a 14 days money back guarantee so you can try it completely risk-free. Now, existing XPro users, good news for you. Upgrade your plan and enjoy the full Black Friday discount, or simply renew it and still get $20 off. Already an XPro customer? We got a gift for you. You get 3 months free on your next renewal. So either way, you're safe. So if you're after a long-term value without subscriptions, XPro add-on is definitely worth checking out. Next up, Unlimited Elements, and they are offering a solid 50% off sale running from 10 November to 10 December. Now this is the widget powerhouse. I mean, if you're a developer or love having maximum flexibility, this add-on gives you a massive widget library to play with. So they have 3 different packages with both annual and lifetime options. And here's what you get with every plan. You get 300 plus premium widgets and 10 plus extensions, full WooCommerce support, a 30 days money back guarantee. Now, important things to consider. Unlimited Elements does not include theme builder, and also their prices do not include taxes. So check that at checkout. But still, I feel they make up for it with a massive widget library and a 25% off renewal if you keep your subscription on. So bottom line, if you want flexibility and tons of widgets to play with, Unlimited Elements is a totally solid deal. Next up, Plus add-on, offering up to 40% off this Black Friday with sale running from 16 November to 7 December. Now, I believe this is one of the safest choices out there because it gives you the longest refund policy, which is a massive 60 days. So you can completely try it risk-free. So they are offering 3 packages in total, 2 annual and 1 lifetime. And here's what every package comes with: 120 plus widgets and 1000 plus pre-built templates, a theme builder and a lot more. Existing users can grab Black Friday discount if they upgrade, but if they don't upgrade and simply renew, they still get a $20 off. And also their prices do not include taxes, so check that at checkout. So overall, if you want an all-in-one bundle with a longest refund window, Plus add-on is a solid pick. Now finally, we have the Essential add-on, offering up to 40% off, sale likely started around November 10 and run until November 30. Now, if your hair started from scratch, this is your go-to add-on because it comes with over 2,500 ready-to-use templates. Plus, they offer both annual and lifetime plan, including an agency bundle. You also get 85 plus widgets, and with lifetime plan, you get 6 months of Templately Pro. Speaking of their limitations, their prices do not mention the taxes, and also just like the unlimited elements, they do not include a theme builder. So, have you decided yet which add-on is best for your website? No? Let me help you. So, if you want a one-time payment, go for XPro add-on or Essential add-ons lifetime plans. And if you hate hidden fees, well, XPro add-ons win there too with tax-inclusive pricing. Then, if you want a long, risk-free trial, plus add-ons 60 days refund policy is your go-to. And if you want the official seamless integration, Elementor Pro is the foundation for everything else. And then, if you need the biggest library of pure widgets, Unlimited Element is your pick. So now you know exactly which deals are worth grabbing for you and which one you can skip. I have added all the official links, the discount codes, the expiry dates in the description below, so check them before they're gone. Now tell me in the comment below which deals are you going for this year. Now that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next.